What's going on, YouTube fans? It's Steven here. We're over at Renegade Hot Rods, getting ready to get the Mobile out. Gonna start the teardown. Today we're gonna be pulling out the motor and trans, getting things started, getting things cleaned up, ready for the big overhaul. Tons of great parts we're gonna be putting on by Holley Performance, Earls, Frostbite. It's gonna be just, I can't wait. I've been waiting for this for a while now, so let's get this baby. Let's get the Mobile out and get it moving. There she is right there. Obviously got her strapped down, so we're gonna pull her out here and we're gonna get started. So you know we gotta let the bald eagles rip a little bit. Say hi, Matt.
What's up?
So show a little before here, before we actually rip it out. And we looked at it underneath. I think we're gonna pull the motor from the top. So we'll probably just pull out the radiator, pull the radiator out here, and then obviously disconnect the headers, unbolt the motor mounts. We'll disconnect the trans. We got to disconnect the shifter linkage setup into the car, and then also disconnect the drive shaft. Just take a look at this pipe right here. So we gotta collect a pile of parts, obviously, a lot of which will be for sale. Look at that right there, there's the America pipe. It's a shame that baby's gotta go, but the hooker Blackheart series is definitely sweet. It's gonna be a really nice setup, all stainless obviously, so that'll be nice. To give everybody a quick little update. We've got it pretty much ready here underneath. Everything's unhooked. Like I said, the radiator obviously is out at this point. Exhaust is all out. We're gonna work on the trans right now a little bit.
Transmission.
We'll drain the fluid. And then hopefully undo the motor mounts, undo the drive shaft, and then out she comes.
Should I drink this?
Yeah. Oh yeah. There she is. So from here we'll split the motor and trans.
Obviously missing some bolts.
Start cleaning up.
We think that's wrong, and we don't use it to. We're going back to our website.
All right, hopefully now that we have it out, we can start worrying about moving on to the fun. You got any help?
Come in.
Go.
Oh, 85.
everybody. This is it for this episode, signing off. Like I said, get out there and work on your own rides. We're over here at my buddy Matt, Renegade Hot Rods. We got a whole lot of stuff to clean up. Time to get to the real work. But the good news is that she's heartless for now. Clean up. We're gonna take all that old wiring out, get the Holley HP unit wired up, clean up the bay just a little bit. Not too bad of shape. We're gonna replace that fuel line. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be, just little things need to be addressed, and we will take care of all of them. So,
A little bit low.
you got all new exhaust coming from Hooker Blackheart. Obviously the Holley intake's gonna be put on. New radiator. There's the old one over there. We're gonna have the AN fittings on that. It's gonna look really slick. So stay tuned for more.